Welcome to this freehold gated and guarded double-story house in USJ 13. So right now we are looking at the living room space of this 20 by 60 house. As you can see, the flooring is made of the original marble and it presents a very cozy feeling in this house. This portion over here is where we can put the dining table. And as we head towards the back of the house, we'll see that the kitchen area is all tiled up. And the kitchen has also been extended backwards. So this house is much bigger than what it originally was. One of the highlights of this house has to be the ground floor bedroom. Like most ground floor bedrooms, it is usually very small, more like a storeroom or utility room. But this ground floor room is approximately 80 square feet in built up. I like the fact that it has its own bathroom, making it convenient for whoever who stays on the ground floor bedroom, which is most likely the elderly parents. And the fact that it also has a window facing outwards add to its beauty. Thanks to the extensions made in this house, we can see that the kitchen cabinet for this particular house is bigger than most 20 by 60 houses. Let us head up to the first floor now. Walking up the stairs, one thing I noticed is that these floorings have been changed. Originally, the staircase here are made of wood, but this owner have changed it into tiles. I guess it's easier for maintenance. So for this area, I have seen different owners building bookshelves or storage spaces. I really like how it can be used as an additional space if needed. Let us head to the master bedroom. When you're in the master bedroom, the first thing you will notice is how the room faces greenery. This house is actually facing the park directly, so that is a major plus point to the property. As for the master bathroom, it is of decent size. However, if the new buyer would like to renovate it and push it outwards to have a bigger bathroom, it is also very possible. Let me bring you to the final two bedrooms now. So right now we're looking at the smallest bedroom. Among all the bedrooms in the house, this would be the smallest bedroom. So in the smallest bedroom, you'll be able to fit in a super single bed. I think a queen size would be a bit difficult, but a super single bed should be quite possible. And this would be the shared Jack and Jill bathroom. Let us head towards the final room, which is also the surprise factor of this house. So one thing I've gotten when I brought in buyers to this house is that they all ask me, is this room the master bedroom? Because it is huge. This beam was the indication of how big the room was originally, so it has been extended outwards. And this is a major plus point as well, because most houses would have only extended the kitchen area. However, for this house, both the ground floor and the first level has been fully extended to the back. I believe that this factor would present major cost savings to the next owner. I feel this house would be perfect for families who have elderly parents staying with them or kids who would need bigger rooms as they grow. The fact that this is also near the LRT could appeal to those who work in KL. And finally, this is how the park in USJ 13 looks like. It is spacious, filled with greenery, and most importantly, a private and safe park. It has playgrounds, walking tracks, reflexology path, and patrolling guards. If you want to find out more about this house, schedule an appointment with me today.